In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 7, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through recovery mode, and also remove lock screen if you want to get rid of that. So to begin, you want to hold the power key and then tap on power off. Do it once more. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So once more, power key, volume up. Once you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. And from here, you will see reboot, wipe data, and connect with Mi assistants. We're interested in wiping data, so you want to use volume keys to navigate like so. Volume up to go up and down to go down, and confirm the selection with power key. And now tap on wipe all data, so just press power key and then confirm, and we'll begin the process. This takes just a couple of seconds and you will see wipe data successful, or data wipe. So all you need to do is press power key and once more power key and again power key, and the phone will now power off and then back on while it's going to continue the process in the background. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.